Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing these Stanley multi-purpose organizing boxes or the organizing case as they are known as. And these cases are available in different sizes. So I have a medium one over here. This is the largest of them and this is the smallest and the cutest box. All three sizes are available on Amazon, and if you want to buy them, I have a bunch of affiliate links waiting for you. So please use my links to support this channel. And coming to the boxes, let's take a close look at them. And on the top, we can see that they come with this kind of transparent plastic cover where you can see the stuff which is inside. And here on the front, there are these two little locks and you can undo them like this and up it goes. And on the inside, you will find that there are these configurable compartments with adjustment tabs over here. So what you need to do is you have to take these spacers and you can design your own compartment. So it's basically you can decide the size of each and every compartment that you want. Let me explain that in a better way by using this small box as a demonstration. So in this particular box, as you can see, I have a lots of electronics components. So I have these LEDs, I have diodes, I have resistances and a whole bunch of things. There are ICs, connectors and so on. And if you look closely, you can see that some of the compartments are larger than the other. And that can be done by using these blank spacers or tabs. If you want a compartment to be smaller, you can simply insert it like this. That divides the compartment. If you want the compartment to be longer, you can just remove these spacers and you can have it as long as you want. So this thing is pretty configurable and it is pretty multi-purpose. So be it DIY, be it art and craft, be it repair services, I bet that almost everyone on this planet can find a use for this kind of box. So this is the box with my electronics component. I have this medium size over here and this box is filled with lots of screws, nuts and bolts. And here we can see the way that I have organized them. And whenever you feel like I need to perform any kind of DIY, wood screws, yep, right there. Washers, oh, here they are. Large nuts and bolts, very easy to find. So this is the benefit of this box. You can very quickly find out what you need and be on your way as per your demands and as per your requirements. The other nifty feature is that there's a physical slot over here, a hole where you can install a dedicated padlock, so you don't have to worry about anyone stealing your stuff from this box. So you can just lock it over here and then no one is gonna pick out your favorite components and be done with it. And there's one doubt that might be coming in your mind that sir, once these things are filled up with these very tiny components, once I close this and once I go on to my merry way using this box, will the components get mixed up? Well, let's take a small test, shall we? So I'll be performing this test with the smallest box that I have because it has a lot of fine little components. So let me show you the before scene. And the before scene is such that you can see that there's zero mixing at this point and a lot of the components are pretty small. For example, these resistances, these ones, the LEDs, the diodes. So here you can take a good look at them. There's no mixing at this particular point. But will there be any mixing after I close the lid and give them a good shake? What is your prediction? Let me know in comment below. So let's close the locks properly. Here we go. I think this is fastened. And here, let's see what will happen if you take a trip on a very bumpy road and if you're holding this on a motorcycle. Very imaginable in India, isn't it? So there's one, there's two, let's just be hard on the box. Okay, so if there's any mixing at this point, if it were be possible, it would have happened, or did it? Let's see. So here we go. Let's open the box. This is the uncut scene, by the way, and let's see if we see any mixing with especially the small components like these resistances or diodes. So as far as I can see that there's zero mixing observed. And if any of you hawk eyes pointed out that sir, there's a resistance over here, during the mixing test. Actually, let me give you even a better close-up. This is not a resistance. This thing is soldered to an LED. This is soldered to a leg of an LED. So here you can see the diodes, the resistances, everything is just where it was. Absolutely zero mixing. So that is pretty expensive. A total thumbs up from my side. Okay, back from the test. So I guess that this thing is pretty clear. They are very multi-purpose. And again, here is how all the three sizes look. So two of them have been filled. One of them is empty. And do let me know in comments below what kind of tools, equipment or anything else would you want to see in this large size multi-purpose organizing box. So that's it for this little video, guys. Again, more information is in description below. Take care and have a nice day.